In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with WooCommerce. We'll walk through a simple, focused workflow that shows you how to preview a WooCommerce extension in action, get to the products area, and remove a product's main image. This is especially helpful when you're testing how your store looks without a featured image or preparing to replace an outdated photo. First, start on the WooCommerce PayPal Payments product page. This is the official extension that lets your store accept PayPal, debit, and credit card payments using WooCommerce's trusted integration. On that page, look for the View Demo option and click it. The demo is designed to let you explore the experience without affecting a live store, so it's a safe place to try things out. Once the demo loads, give it a moment. Assets and sample content may take a few seconds to appear, and you might see a storefront or a dashboard view depending on how the demo is configured at the time. Next, click on Products. This takes you to the area where WooCommerce lists all sample items in the store. Here, you can see titles, prices, stock status, and whether a product has a featured image assigned. The Products section is where store owners typically manage what's displayed on the front end, and it's also where featured images, those main images that appear on listings and product pages, are controlled. In a demo environment, navigation can vary slightly, but the product's link reliably brings you to the catalog management view. Now, click on Remove Product Image. This action clears the featured image from the selected product, leaving it without a primary visual. It's useful when the current image is outdated, off-brand, or not meeting your quality standards. Keep in mind that removing the featured image does not delete the media file from the library. It simply unassigns it from that product. The product page may show a placeholder depending on your theme, and your catalog grid might rearrange slightly, because many themes style product cards differently when there's no image. A few practical notes as you do this in a demo. Product images are a major part of conversions and accessibility, so if you plan to add a new image later, choose consistent dimensions and clear, well-lit photos. Also consider how the absence of a featured image may affect search results and your shop layout. Demo environments often reset, so expect any changes to be temporary and purely for exploration. That's it. Click View Demo, go to Products, and remove the product image. This quick test helps you visualize layout changes and plan better product presentation in your WooCommerce store.